Hey everybody, welcome back to Idea Empire. In today's video, we're diving into something super exciting: how to find high-demand business ideas. If you've ever wondered how successful entrepreneurs identify the next big opportunity, you're in the right place. Whether you're starting your own business or just exploring, finding the right idea is crucial. Finding a high-demand business idea isn't about luck. It's about strategy and knowing where to look. Stick with me till the end of this video, and I'll show you step-by-step how to spot business ideas that are in high demand right now. Okay, so let's get into it. Number 1. Analyze market trends. The first thing you should do is keep an eye on emerging trends. You can use tools like Google Trends, Statista, or industry reports to see where demand is growing. High-growth sectors like tech, health, sustainability, and e-commerce are all great areas to explore. When you spot a trend early, you can position yourself ahead of the competition. 2. Identify consumer pain points. Now, here's where things get interesting. High-demand ideas often stem from solving real problems, so listen closely to what people are talking about. Check social media, forums, and even product reviews to find out where people are struggling. A great business idea comes when you offer a solution to a problem that people want fixed. Ask yourself, what needs are people willing to pay to have solved? Number 3. Study your competition. Don't just copy what's already out there. Study your competition. What's working for them? What's not? Customer feedback can reveal a lot of opportunities. By offering something unique or improving an existing product, you can carve out your own space. Think about how you can improve on what others are doing and give your customers something they can't get anywhere else. Number 4. Leverage technology and innovation. Technology is constantly evolving, and it opens doors for new business opportunities. Whether it's AI, automation, or e-commerce innovations, technology can help you offer fresh solutions to existing problems. Think about how you can use these technologies to build a business that taps into the growing demand for new tech-driven products or services. Number 5. Validate your idea. Before you go full throttle with your idea, you need to validate it. The best way to do this is by testing it with a small group of people. You can create a simple prototype, run surveys, or even launch a pilot project. This will give you real feedback from potential customers to ensure that there is demand for your idea before you commit fully. Alright, now you've got the blueprint to find your next big business idea. Remember, the key is to stay proactive, listen to your market, and validate your ideas before going all in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Got a business idea you're thinking about? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.